The affordable and well-known skincare line, E.L.F., has done it again. They've come out with a new product that has pretty much broken the internet and been sold out for a long time, but ya boy picked it up. And the product that I'm talking about is no, not the E.L.F. Holy Hydration Cream. That one's still sold out in my area. It is the E.L.F. Happy Hydration Cream. It is their hemp-derived cannabis seed oil moisturizer. Let's get into it. Alright, pulling up this product, we're going to talk a little bit about it. You do get 1.7 fluid ounces of product. It does retail for $12, which I think is an okay price point. I feel like that's about average for drugstore moisturizers for 1.7 ounces as far as like new products go. That's the price of the CeraVe night cream. That's the price of the Eucerin redness relieving night cream. I feel like that's kind of average, and E.L.F. is supposed to be a cheaper brand, so I would have appreciated if it was a little bit less than competitors like $9.99 or something like that. But it is introducing some kind of unique ingredients that I've never seen in the drugstore, so I guess, you know, that's where the price comes in. So let's go over the claims of this product. It says that it is a luxurious hemp-derived face cream that locks in moisture for ultra-hydrated skin. Why do they love it? They said it's a rich luxe formula. Boosts hydration and prevents moisture loss. Absorbs easily to deliver skin happy benefits. Skin happy. Okay, I'm not 5. It says it's great for all skin types. The key ingredients is that hemp seed oil, which is an amino-rich formula that nourishes, hydrates, and conditions. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, which soothes and hydrates the skin. Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture for a plump complexion. Niacinamide minimizes pores and evens out the skin tone. All great ingredients that I love here on my channel, and those are all facts. It says your new favorite skin happy ritual, coating your skin with this rich buttery face cream that feels like so luxurious in your face. Formulated with hemp seed cannabis. The cream blends easily into the skin, helps retain moisture. Some other ingredients that I wanted to tell you guys that are about this, because there are quite a lot on the that aren't even mentioned on here. It does have glycerin, which is also going to be hydrating. It also does have silica, which is oil absorbing, which I thought was interesting. It also does have cetearyl alcohol, which makes me feel like this product is really trying to give you all the hydrating benefits without being greasy and oily. And so I really appreciate that. When you try to be everything, you sometimes end up being nothing. And I find that this is not totally great on a day that I'm oily and not totally great on a day that I'm dry. So for oily skin people, you're not going to like this because it still is a little bit sticky and dewy. And for dry skin people, it's not going to be enough hydration. And I found that with this product, you can't use a whole lot at once because it kind of like pills and doesn't blend into the skin if you use too much. But I felt like I needed more because my skin wasn't fully hydrated enough. So I think that this is going to be best for people that have combination or normal-ish skin. They don't have dry patches, or if they are oily, they still want to use a product like this. You can use this morning and night, and let's get a little swatcheroo for you. It does feel like more of a luxurious package. The packaging itself is pretty heavy. It says that this is also great underneath makeup, which I do think that it would be. So it's really like a light product, to be honest. And then you just blend it out. And voila, it's gone. This product is fragrance-free. Thank you so much, E.L.F. A lot of their products are not fragrance-free, which I am not okay with. But this one is. It does still have that kind of hemp, kind of oil fragrance to it. It does smell like oil, but it doesn't smell bad or anything, and you can't smell it unless you're like super up and close. All right, I'm gonna do one side of my face and then we'll show you. Here's the point where I feel like I can't really blend it in anymore. I'm just kind of moving things around. But as you can see, it's not fully blended in. It's kind of sitting on top of my skin. Here's the other side, just so you can tell. And then if I kind of like fan my face and pat it in, it definitely will start to like sink in. But it's a weird situation. A lot of my other moisturizers sink in quite immediately, and this one just doesn't do that. But the thing is, if I'm not reaching for a product, that means that I don't really like it, you know? I have other moisturizers that I'm picking up more often because I just like them better. I don't think this is a bad product, and actually I'll tell you that I love using this under my eyes. It's really softening, and I feel like maybe the hemp is like soothing also. $12 for 1.7 ounces for an eye cream is a friggin' steal deal. So if you just want to pick this up as an eye cream, I do recommend doing that. But I don't know. Okay, now it's fully dried. I can tell that it's dried in, and it looks okay, you know? It is nice. I think it is calming and soothing on my skin. I noticed that when I am using this product continuously, I did use it for 1 week straight, every single night, even some mornings. And again, I just found like under my eyes it was beautiful, but the rest of my face I was like, I don't know about it. It's moisturizing me, and I think it is kind of calming redness in my skin as well. It's just that it doesn't sink in right away is pretty much what I want you guys to know. If you're someone that likes to kind of like speed up their routine, probably not the best. For me, I put on my moisturizer and then I like wait 15 minutes. I just do random things. I don't know. I give myself enough time before I put on my tretinoin, my topical vitamin A that I'm using. So I don't mind because it just takes like a couple minutes to sink in, but it's not a bad thing. It's just kind of weird, to be honest. But anyways, that's my review of this product. So E.LF has done it again. They've broken the internet, and you know, it's a product that I don't think really deserves it. I think there's a lot of other drugstore products that are just as good, better, or equivalent. E.LF gets it because they're being innovative. They're using new ingredients. They're using this hemp, and I've never used a hemp product before, so maybe hemp takes a minute to kind of soak in. I don't know. Not a bad thing, just something to let you guys know, but I am going to continue to use it. I kind of reach for it once a week, I'd say, but I do reach for it a couple times a week under my eyes because I just really like it under my eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. As always, I appreciate your time. Bye.